Hello my dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel, that's Concepts of Chemistry. Before starting today's lecture, please do subscribe my channel. My dear students, from this lecture we are going to study a new topic called periodicity, in which we will study about the arrangement or classification of elements in different groups according to their physical and chemical properties, which will give rise to a table called periodic table. The properties which we are going to consider are atomic radius, ionic radius, ionization enthalpy, electron gain enthalpy, electronegativity, metals, non-metals, metalloids, valencies, oxidation states, etc., etc., which we will discuss in detail in the further lectures. So the very first question arises, why do we need to classify elements? On screen I have mentioned some points, so let's study them. The very first point states that during 18th and the early 19th century, advances in chemistry made it easier to isolate elements from their compounds. Now let's come to a second point. As a result, the number of known elements had more than doubled from 31 in 1800 to 63 by 1865. Let's come to a third point. At present, 117 elements are known. Out of these, recently discovered elements are not natural but man-made, and efforts are still going to synthesize new elements by artificial transmutation. Now let's come to the fourth point. As the number of known elements increased, it became rather impossible to study individually the chemistry of all these elements and their innumerable compounds individually. So now let's come to the fifth point. To ease out this problem, scientists searched for a systematic way to organize their knowledge by classifying the elements. Not only that it would rationalize the known chemical facts about the elements, but even predict new ones for undertaking the further study. So the sixth point is, attempts were made to classify elements according to one property or the other, like metals, non-metals, metalloids, or electropositive and electronegative characters, or valencies, or the oxidation state, etc., etc. So these were the like answers for the question, why do we need to classify elements, in which the fourth point is very important, and I'm repeating it again. As the number of known elements increased, it became rather impossible to study individually the chemistry of all the elements and their innumerable compounds. That's why we need to classify the elements. So that's all for today. I hope you understood today's lecture. If any student wants to book a paid one-to-one online class to clear their doubts, then she can contact me. My phone number is mentioned on thumbnail of this lecture. Please like, subscribe and share my channel to maximum number of students. Don't forget to press the subscribe button. Stay blessed.